if somebody was trying to get into the e-commerce game,
Sure.
what kind of products do you think are attractive?
There's a lot of different products that a lot of people sell. So when you're talking about an e-commerce business, you could range from A to Z in a number of products. People sell t-shirts, they sell auto parts, they sell collector's items, they sell Barbie dolls and things. You could basically sell whatever appeals to you. This goes from $10 items all the way till $1 million items, anything like that that has volume, that's what we're basically looking for. So if you have volume and people are out there looking for your item and there's demand in the marketplace, then you have an e-commerce business.
Got it. Now, the trick here is, again, what you want to look at is you want to look at competition. You don't want to get into, you don't want to really sell electronics online because you're not going to be able to compete. You're not going to be able to buy millions of dollars of product, and you won't be able to compete on price. So what you want to do is, again, the next step is the platform part of it is easy. You have options like BigCommerce, Shopify. Then you're looking into the fulfillment part of things. Where the supply chain and fulfillment, where is the product going to come from? Are you going to drop ship? Are you going to produce it? Are you going to create it? Are you going to maybe buy it from China? So these are some of the things that you need to identify, but there are a lot of dropship solutions right now that you could be using.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.